subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo officially launched its new Reno series phone in Japan called Oppo Reno 9A. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 9A features a tall 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 89.4% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo Reno 9A sports a triple camera setup on the rear, that houses a 48-megapixel main camera, with f1.7 aperture, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view, and there is 2-megapixel macro lens, with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16-megapixel selfie shooter under the hole punch at the top left corner, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4500 mAh battery, that supports 18 watts fast charging, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box, with Color OS 13 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160 by 74 by 7.8mm, and it weighs around 183 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 9A has been priced in Japan at 41,980 Japanese yen. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in moon white and night black color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from June 22nd. So what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 9A smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.